It's 7 o'clock in the morning and we are in Lyme Regis. My wife wanted to come down to Lyme this morning early without the crowds, and so here we are. Me being obviously the perfect husband, obliged again, I might add. But we're probably gonna have a little walk around. There's a boat down here that's getting for a film, a prequel to Willy Wonka and the Chocolate Factory, and maybe a bit of breakfast. It's a little bit gloomy out there today, but there's little highlights, sort of pink in the clouds. But yeah, it's a little bit gloomy, but I can just see out in the distance there the boat, which we'll go and take a look at in a minute. This is the dog-friendly beach in Lyme. Normally we come down those steps, but as you can see the tide's in, so we're coming this way. And we'll have a little bit of running around to do anyway here for a little bit, and then we'll take them down the front. Trying to keep Peggy out of the water is the plan now. Hopefully she'll stay out. No matter what the weather, really, I always feel very privileged that I live so close to this. Creation at its best. It's beautiful. And she is nuts. And we still got Poppy. She's still going, bless her. Still plodding along. Bless her little socks. But yeah, it is lovely, isn't it? It's kind of iconic, these beach huts. You know you're in Lyme. You've got all these lined up. Got a few swimmers out there today. I've seen at least 6. One going in there as well, 7. Most of them haven't even got wetsuits on, which is amazing. Take my hat off to them. I think it's a little bit too cold for me now. And here we are, right at the front. And we can just about make out the boat over there, which is going to be a filming for Warner Brothers, a prequel to Willy Wonka and the Chocolate Factory. So we're going to go and have a look at this boat. We've seen it coming in a couple of weeks ago and didn't know what it's for, but now we know. It's amazing what goes into filming, and this is probably just a little scene, but that's where they're concentrating on over there on that boat. They built that thing there as well, which we'll get a bit of a closer look in a minute. But still, it's exciting, isn't it? Filming, might be some famous people there, I don't know. Might be, you never know. Starting filming next week. This is one of the sets, and by all accounts they've got to make this boat look like it's been out of the Arctic. And they're starting to film Monday, but we're not allowed to know who is arriving. They're not allowed to say, but I'm sure it's someone that we'll know on TV. It's still quite exciting, isn't it? Quite fun. Got all these people here working. It's quite fun. Here's another exciting prop. A step going up there. And Sue's just realised they've painted it. It used to be cream. They've painted the harbour wall all dark. So, and there's another bit of a filming something, I guess, for the actors to go up. Yeah, how cool is that? Yeah, very exciting. The ladies said we can have a little walk down, and this is the boat that I guess is going to be featured in the film. Oh, we've got to move out the way now, sorry. Go on, Sue, back here. We're allowed back down again. Look, here's some more props. And one of the ladies who loves Peggy has said there's some fake fish in boxes down there, so we're going to have a little look at that. The guy up there doing something. Oh look, ice, fake ice. That's cool. And these, I guess, are the the fake fish. There they are. Bits and bobs down here. Not as exciting, I don't think. Sue's pointing at little Robin darting around in the props there. Oh look, these look nice. These look interesting. Cool. Wouldn't mind one of those in my garden. They're pretty cool, aren't they? Maybe that was the old things to stop boats from hitting the harbour or something. There are so many staff. Unbelievable. And they've not even started filming. I have to have one more video of those fish because look how real they look. Oh look, they got lobster. Oh, okay, the crabs I'm not too sure about. Or the lobsters, to be honest, but the fish look, I mean, look at that. It's real, right? It's about as real as can be. And you got all sorts, but definitely they do not look real. Oh, hear that boat. Time for breakfast, I think. Definitely time for breakfast. Coffee here, and they put out these little deck chairs where you can sit down and have a coffee. We're going to sit down right here, and that'll be our view while having a coffee. That's not bad, is it? Not bad at all. Breakfast this morning, bacon and avocado with chili jam, and I'm going to eat this as I look out there and enjoy my coffee as well. Beautiful view this morning. How fortunate I am to be here. Very grateful. Those that like watching my vlogs, that was the best bacon, smashed avocado and a little bit of chili jam bagel I've ever had. I loved it. And the fact that I got to eat it while looking at this view was even better. But you get to come down to Lyme Regis, go to the kiosk at the front and ask for a smashed avocado and bacon with chili jam. Sue's having just a bacon one, but there's so much bacon in it as well. Very, very happy. Well, I take my hat off. There's 5, I'm going to say slightly older women, and they've gone in, and they're not wearing any real sort of insulation. One of them I think is, but one of them is yeah, just gone in, you know, wetsuit. It's amazing without a wetsuit. Unbelievable. Oh my life, we've got another one, and she's going in a bikini. I won't focus too much on her, but she's going in a bikini. Take my hat off to these people. There are no spring chickens either. Well done. And we're back at the car. Oh, 2.5 miles. It's not bad, is it? 2.5 miles and a bagel and a coffee. Got to get back now, get a room ready, and then we're going to go for another walk this afternoon.